Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to show you what basic thing on Inkscape you can do. First of all, you need an Inkscape software on your computer. If you already have the Inkscape software on your computer, let's get started. First of all, you can make a rectangular or square in here by click this or press R on your keyboard. And then you can just start drag like this. See? Okay. And if you want make a perfect square, you can just press Control and then just drag it like this. See? Okay. Next, if you wanna make a perfect square and you wanna make it in the middle, like you drag it on the middle, you can just press Control and Shift and then drag it like this. See? Or you can make a rectangular by dragging like this. Or if you want to make it perfect, you can just click Control like this. See? Okay. Next, you can make a circle by clicking this or press E on your keyboard and then just start drag like this. Next, if you want to make a perfect circle, you can just press Control on your keyboard and then drag it like this. See? And if you want to make it perfect and you want to drag it on the middle, you can just press Control and Shift and drag it like this. See? Next, you can make a polygon shape or star shape by clicking this. If you want to add more corner on your polygon, you can just press corners in here and add as much as you want. In here, I want to show you 9 corners. And you can just drag like this. Boom. And if you want to make a star, you can set the corners into 5 and then drag like this. And then in the spoke ratio, you can just reduce it as much as you want. See, it make a star. Okay. Next, you can make a cube by clicking this, or you can just press X on your keyboard and you will get in here. And then you can just drag it like this. And you have the 3D cube in here. But I personally don't recommend you, if you are a beginner, to use these 3D boxes because it's really hard to use it. Okay, next. You can make a spiral by clicking this or press I on your keyboard and then just drag it like this. If you want to add more spirals, like expanding the spiral, you can just click in here and you can pull it out like this. Oh. But if you want to make the corners get expand, like emptying it, you can pull it out like this. See? Okay. Next, you can use a Bezier pen by clicking this or click P on your keyboard. This tool allows you to make more polygon shape. Like you can just make a freehand polygon shape as much as you want. Just clicking like this or this. But you can make a curve shape by dragging like this and then like this. Click it and drag as much as you want. And you can have the curve shape as much as you want. Next, we go to the draw freehand by clicking this or press P on your keyboard. It allows you to make a lines as much as you want. Like you just clicking in here and click it right here. You can just have lines like this. Or you can just make some lines as much as you want. Like this. Wait. Next, you can draw a calligraphy using this tool by clicking this, or you can press C on your keyboard. And you can just drag it like this, like you draw a calligraphy. Next, you can create a text by clicking this, or click T on your keyboard and press on the screen as much as you want, like this, like this. And you can just type as much as you want, like this. See? Okay. Next, in the gradient, you can click this or click G on your keyboard. But to use this gradient effect, you have to make a shape first. For example, I'm using square in here. Boom. And then click the gradient or press G. And then you can just use the gradient by pressing this in here. And then go or drag in here. To change the gradient color, you can start pressing Shift Control F, and you have in here, and then you can click this, and you can just change the color as much as you want, like this, or this. Wait. Yeah, like this. Next, you can pick colors from image by clicking this or press D on your keyboard and pick the color as much as you want, like this. A square shape, and pick the color, and then just use this and you have the green color, and you can apply it to any shape as much as you want. Next, fill bounded areas. This tool allows you to block an area with some color as much as you want by clicking this and press U on your keyboard. And then you can just pick another color to fill the color as much as you want. Like this. Next, I want to show you how to make the width of the shape looks bigger or thinner. In here, I use square as an example, like this, and then press Shift Control F, and then go to stroke style, go to the width, and you can just add it or reduce it as much as you want, like this. See? It changed. Next, I want to show you how to select all these objects by clicking this, or you can press S, and then you can just drag it like this, and you're already select all of them. Next, you can change a shape freely as much as you want by using this, or you can press N on your keyboard. For example, I use Bezier pen to create a shape like this, and you can click this or press N on your keyboard, and you can change it as much as you want. You can actually undo something by clicking Control Z like this, or you can delete something by clicking the object and then press delete on your keyboard. Last but not least, you can duplicate an object by clicking the object and then press Ctrl D, and you have the same object. Okay, I think this is enough. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.